Hi there, this is Jamie with Creations Misfit, and today it is time to find our winner for my very first yarn haul giveaway. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for everybody that left a comment and followed instructions. I think like pretty much everybody did, which was wonderful. Thank you so much for watching the video through and and leaving where you're from and also what you'd like to see. There were so many more comments than I was expecting, and I'm so grateful that I've been able to help people with some of the other tutorials like some of you mentioned. So um, let's go ahead and find our winner. First, a couple things I just wanted to mention real quick is that a lot of the items that you guys were hoping to see tutorials on, I do have tutorials for already. A lot of hats and scarves on here and some stitch videos. Um, Hooded scarf. What else? Oh, I did. I put up some booties this weekend. You can kind of see here. I put up a cross yesterday. I had a crochet a cross. Um, these fingerless gloves, the crochet dragon and mermaid scale gloves. So go ahead and take a look. Oh, I put up a stocking recently as well, but I have a lot of videos on here already that you may enjoy. So um, most of them are beginner friendly or beginner, advanced beginner. So there's a lot of beanies on here. This messy bun beanie is like the one that's most watched. It works up really quickly. A lot of items that you could use for like these crochet coffee cup cozies. I've had a lot of orders for those for like teachers or babysitters or nurses, things like that. A lot of them I do in school colors for people and all kinds of things. So take a look through. There's a bunch of scarves on here and hats, ear warmer. I will be doing a lot more, but I just wanted to point out that there's a lot on here that people were asking for as well. So please take a look at those when you get a chance. And I am going to make a note of everything that people listed that they'd like to see, and I will work on those as soon as I can and try to do as many as I can. Um, I am moving at the end of this week, so this week has been pretty crazy, and I don't know if I'll get any more tutorials up this week, perhaps, or even next week because we have a lot going on. I also have an adrenal illness that doesn't allow me to crochet as often as I'd like sometimes. Sometimes it's no big deal, and other times it's months before I can do anything. So I've been primarily bedbound for the last 11 years, which just sounds crazy to say, but every so often I can get up and, make a tutorial or make some things and stuff like that. And I am working on getting 100% healthy. So, that's the little bit of my story. If you do want to listen to my story, I have a podcast that I did with my friend Ian last year, and I explained my whole situation. I know that a lot of people are disabled, and crochet brings a lot of happiness to them, and um, or just have an illness or something like I do where we can't do very much, but when we can, it's something that really helps us feel better and feel accomplished. So I'll put the link in the description of that podcast if you ever feel like listening. Um, what other thing? Oh, I also wanted to mention, I forgot in the video, that I am not affiliated with any of these yarns. This is all stuff that I bought with my own money, that I made by making things. I don't receive disability or anything like that. I do online work when I can, and I sell my creations for money. So, these were all, I just wanted to mention that I'm not affiliated with any of the companies listed. It was all my yarn that I purchased. And I will be doing more giveaways in the future, so please stick with me. And yeah, that's it basically. So let's go ahead and find our winner. I am going to do a random comment picker here. So, oh, I just realized you can see me in the back of this video. um, so for the random comment picker, I just am going to upload the video URL, which I already copied. And let's see here. We're going to filter out duplicate users because if anybody, you were supposed to just do one comment. So if anybody did two, it will just allow you one chance to win. I'm not going to include replies because I did reply to some people to let them know I had tutorials for what they were looking for. Okay, and I think that's it. So let's get all the comments and see how many were posted. Okay, unique comments 454. So let's find our winner. Oh, where is it? Um, there should be a thing that says choose your winner. Oh, here. Start raffle and pick random winner. I just want to go through this so that you know that I'm doing it the right way and I'm not just choosing whoever I like. So we're going to go ahead and pick the winner. And then I would like I mean, anybody can comment on this, but I would like the winner to comment below, just so I can see that it's from your actual account, and just let me know that you're there. And then we can set up an email so that you can email me your address. And if you do that today, I will ship out the box tomorrow. If you could do it as soon as possible, that would be great because I'm moving on Saturday, so I'd like to ship it before Friday if possible. So anybody can comment, but if the winner can comment below, just let me know that you are the winner. And if you'd like to put your email address in the comment, that would be helpful. Otherwise, if you don't feel comfortable doing that, that's fine. Just let me know you're the winner, and then I will find a way to give you my email address. All right, so let's go ahead and start. Pick our winner. Okay, Cassandra Toll from Essex, Connecticut, you are the winner. So if you're seeing this, and I hope that you are, go ahead and leave me a comment below. And like I said, I will be doing more, so don't feel bad if you didn't win this time around. We'll have a lot more giveaways, and I'm going to have a lot of tutorials that will hopefully help everybody. So thank you again for watching. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I am at Creations Misfit. And yeah, please, stick with my channel and let me know if you have any questions or anything like that. But otherwise, I will see you shortly. Thank you all so much. I really appreciate this. Was a bigger turnout than I had hoped for, and I'm very grateful. So I hope everybody is well and staying safe and healthy, and just being kind to everybody. So help people when you can, and let's I know it's cliche, but let's make this world a better place. Okay, we all need a little love right now. So thank you all so much again for watching. Cassandra, congratulations. I'm so excited to send this to you, and I will be talking to you shortly. Thank you. Bye bye.